Hello, my friend. I'm Dennis Wang. Welcome to Foshan Autom packaging machinery. And today, I'm going to test 500 grams oats powder on this ATM 320C vertical packing machine. Economical, multifunctional, and easy to operate. Okay, let's show you the machine, how it works. Okay, let's stop the machine. Let's check the finished bag. And the sealing of the bag. Vertical. Here, date printer result. Okay. Present result. So, you have any customized packaging solution, just find us at this website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching my video today. Bye.